My name is David Newell and I'm the Business Development Director for Matcon in Asia Pacific. Today I'd like to present a case study on SternMaid Asia Pacific on how they increase manufacturing flexibility with improved traceability and speed. SternMaid Asia Pacific are part of the German-based SternMaid Group, who are a supplier of food and feed ingredients. Their headquarters are in Germany, in Hamburg. SternMaid Asia Pacific are a large contract manufacturing service which specialises in the manufacturing of food additives and nutritional supplements, all of which are in powder form. SternMaid manufacture in Germany, as well as in China and also in India. The industries that SternMaid specialise in are the bakery industry, beverage, nutraceutical, pharmaceutical, dairy and infant formula. In 2018, sales of the SternMaid Group exceeded the €500 million mark for the first time. They have 12 specialist companies in Germany, 16 affiliates abroad, and over 1,400 employees worldwide. In line with growth plans, there was a need to expand in the Asia Pacific region. There was a need for local supply from within the region, as delivery times from Germany were taking too long, as the German manufacturing plant was reaching full capacity. It is essential to SternMaid Group that the facility can offer uniform products and processes to match their existing facilities worldwide. Demand for quality management certification, so batch traceability, is key to providing this. Also, certain countries require that food is manufactured in a particular way to meet the dietary requirements in the region, such as halal. Being a contract manufacturer, Stern's batch sizes are highly variable. They need to manufacture anything from 50 kilos to 2,000 kilos. Flexibility is important, as they manufacture an extensive range of formulations to suit a broad client base. They need the ability to blend ingredients of low dosages, such as micronutrients, premixes, or blends of textures, such as hydrocolloids and emulsifiers for the dairy industry. The factory was built in 2018 in Nusajaya Tech Park in Johor, Malaysia. It opened in September in 2018 with a floor area of approximately 4,000 square meters. The initial capacity of the plant would be 5,000 tons per annum. The equipment that Matcon supplied consisted of 2 IBC filling systems, a mixer filling and discharge system, an IBC blender with a capacity of 1,000 to 3,300 litres, which also had high shear, an IBC powder packing system to pack off bag sizes of 5 to 25 kilo, an IBC auger filler to pack off bag sizes of 1 to 5 kilo, an automated IBC washing system and drying system, and several 1,000 litre and 2,500 litre IBCs. Why did they call Matcon? The IBC system was a good fit for their required business model relating to batch size, traceability and flexibility. Matcon's lean manufacturing principles, the decoupling of each process step utilising IBCs, provides significant process efficiency and flexibility, as the ingredient preparation, blending and packing are all occurring in parallel. IBC blending with high shear. SternMaid advised they regarded Matcon as experts in IBC blending. High shear IBC blending was a significant benefit, as some products in their range were sticky and therefore require more work into them to blend homogeneously. Tumble type blending alone will not do this. The cone valve technology that Matcon provides promotes flow of difficult flowing powders. It also controls the flow of powders into the packing line without the risk of segregation. Matcon also had a previous good working relationship with Stern based on their experience at the Suzhou plant in China, which opened in 2011. Matcon also have local support both in Malaysia and with technical support, and also support from Australia. So the outcome of what Stern managed to achieve at their factory was to achieve the local halal registration, to meet Stern's global quality requirement, to provide shorter delivery times for their customers, to provide plant flexibility, plant hygiene, satisfy a wide batch size range, and the ability to blend formulations with very small inclusions. There's a testimonial from the operations manager, Robert Scholl at Stern, where Robert mentions the new site in Malaysia will allow us to quickly process and deliver orders to our customers in the Asia Pacific region with optimized supply chains and all required QM certifications. All that without any concessions regarding quality with our European sites, but to the same exacting standards. Our clients and channel partners are happy with the design and appointment of the plant, with the IBC blending system taking centre stage and receiving great care and maintenance due to our successful partnership with Matcon. I'd just like to show you a video of SternMaid's factory.
Our flexibility and the immense product knowledge are making us the ideal toll manufacturing partner. From raw material sourcing to homogeneous mixing and outbound logistics, SternMaid have the right solution for all companies who plan to outsource their production capacity or even start a new business, especially within the Asia Pacific region.
SternMaid Asia Pacific Sternmaid Hut was designed and set up to the highest quality standard with full compliance to stringent food manufacturing certification. Production line concept was designed to work in lean processes with the state-of-the-art machinery and equipment. The factory is targeting a total capacity of 5,000 metric tons annually and is solely built to meet the needs of customers globally.
As part of global team under SternMaid Group, HR in SternMaid Asia Pacific are the drivers to promote our fundamental values, which are likable, technological, successful, respectful, and curious.
SternMaid Asia Pacific, each carton of our product is produced under strictest hygienic environment. Product safety and also product quality are our top priorities. To achieve this, we practice the highest standard in food industry, which is FSSC 20000, and we do practice as well halal as per Malaysia halal regulations. In order to ensure all our products that going out from our warehouse are safe with quality that fulfill customer requirement, our quality lab is fully equipped. We are able to do testing such as microbiology, vitamin, mineral, baking, particle size, and so much more. As a team, we trust that quality is not an act, but it is a habit that needs to be instilled in all employees and practiced in our daily tasks, regardless of level and department.
Our main driver for success is the voice of customer, and so we're aiming to create a sustainable supply chain network that allows us to satisfy the customer needs in a timely manner while staying in line with the group global strategy.
SternMaid Group have been active in the Asian food industry since 2001, and we are very proud to present SternMaid Asia Pacific as the latest and most modern production facility in this region, joining our HQ in Singapore as well as existing facilities in India and China. We can now offer seamless coverage of the entire continent and meet the needs of food manufacturers here even better, including fast delivery times, minimization of trade barriers, and of course, contingency planning. Asia has been one of the most dynamic parts of the world for a long time running, and we are absolutely certain that the success story will continue. And we look forward to continue being a part of it.